Hey everyone, welcome back to Nomans 3D. Today, I'm going to show you how to make Mixamo animations last forever using Blender. Whether you're working on a game, a film, or just a fun project, making animations loop seamlessly is a crucial skill. Let's dive right in. First, let's go to Mixamo and download our desired animation. Open your web browser and go to mixamo.com. If you don't have an account, sign up. It's free and easy. Once you're logged in, browse the animation library to find the animation you want. When you've found the animation you like, click on it to preview. You can customize the animation settings to fit your needs. Once you're happy with it, click Download. In the download settings, make sure to select FBX for Blender with skin and 30 frames per second. Then hit Download. With our animation downloaded, let's import it into Blender. Open Blender, go to File, select Import, and choose the FBX file format. Find your downloaded Mixamo file and click Import FBX. Once your animation is imported, you'll see the character and the animation timeline. To make the animation loop, we need to adjust the keyframes. Now, if I play the animation, you'll notice that it ends after 35 frames. We need to fix this to make the animation loop indefinitely. To do this, select the armature and go to the graph editor. Press N to open the side panel. Then, select all curves in the graph editor and add a cycles modifier under the modifiers section. After applying the cycles modifier, you will notice changes in the curves. Next to the Add Modifier button, click to copy all the cycles and then click to paste them. If we drag this, we will see a curve like this. Now, if we play the animation, we can see the character walking after 35 frames, but it restarts from the origin point each time. To fix this, deselect all curves and select only this curve. Click here to apply Repeat with Offset. You will then notice changes in this curve. Now, if we go to the timeline and play the animation, we can see the character continues walking after 35 frames for as long as your desired duration. And there you have it, a Mixamo animation that lasts forever using Blender. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Nomans 3D for more awesome tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy animating!